How to fix a Spotify student plan verification failing. So if you're facing this issue, simply follow these steps. If you're having issue with the application, you can just do the same from using any web browser. Or else what you can do is simply clear your cache by simply long press on the application, tap on app info. Now scroll down to storage section and tap on it and simply tap on clear cache, which is available at the very end. And simply head back, tap on force stop and tap on OK and again restart the application. If the stand login fails, CRID will ask you to upload a document. Standard smartphone photos of plastic student ID cards are almost always rejected because they lack a current date. Instead, what you can do is take a mobile screenshot of your student portal of your university. Simply log into your school portal and take a screenshot of your current class schedule or your official tuition receipt. Your first name, last name, university name, and a 2026 academic date must be all fully visible in the image, and ensure the screenshot is saved as a JPG, PNG, or PDF before tapping the mobile upload button. And also note that the student discount is strictly capped at 4 years total per person. If you have already used it for 4 years on this account or a previous account using the same student ID, the mobile page will automatically show an error. And after all of that, simply try to sign in again. Now you just need to verify your student verification by CRID and you're all set to go. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.